shit I make change food. I ain't shit.
It's really this is my first time ever going in and out in my life. I don't even know what to get. Like, what's good here? Like, what type of burger? I don't know what the.
It's like Cane's.
They don't sell chicken here, right?
Burgers.
Oh, it's just burgers. I heard the fries are really good here. Y'all go first, cause I don't know what to get.
Yeah, I forgot what I got last
Yeah, they salty WMans. Oh my god.
Man, you can't get to look at
Here we go, y'all. First time we about to see what the hype is about. Got me a cheeseburger with no onions. I don't like tomatoes. I don't really eat burgers like that, so it's gonna be interesting.
Hell no, my sister had it.
Here we go. In-N-Out burger.
I'm just put my ketchup.
You got more ketchup.
The fries are mid. Mid fries.
They're gonna have to reschedule.
Do they reschedule, bro?
Here guys, here we go. In-N-Out for the first time.
Nigga didn't explain how to order until after. Okay, bro. Like, bro, you just said it in the beginning.
The burger's talking, Mike. The burger is
But that shit
talking.
might sticky shake a little bit, right?
Give me a napkin.
Cool though. I don't think it's as cool as people make it seem. They be like, oh my god, In-N-Out.
It's good though.
It's cool. It's good, but it's like, I wouldn't be like, yo, In-N-Out's so fire. Like, waiting like a 30-minute line for some In-N-Out. It's cool though. But Shake Shack better.
I agree.
Shake Shack better.
I agree.
That's fact.
Shake Shack really works out.
Shake Shack, bro, I would eat Shake Shack every single day. Like, Shake Shack is that Just pulled up to some random ass fair. Mario just won a ball. We had some random fair. I don't know if we about to ride anything, but it's not really giving what it's supposed to give. Huh? Oh, yeah, W good deeds. Hold on, man. W good deeds, man. The Lord will reward you. Bless you back.
No, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm out here in the Balenci's, bro. And the Balenci's on at the fair. I'm scared, bro. I gotta watch when I walk and shit. Hold now. Hold now.
I believe in you, man. You can't get up here.
One more. Look at one more shot. Come on, bro. Let her get one more shot, man. Yeah. Ah, damn. Go 3 shots. Come on. Okay. Hey, man.
Let's get back on the block. You want to make the most? I get a try. No, you ain't good for one. One out of 5. 5. I'm telling y'all.
You got it?
You gotta go for them closer to that. Yeah, that.
Oh yeah. That's a real baseball player right there.
Can we get a score, bro? Please. No.
Oh, watch it. Nah, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah, Lucas Braves.
He hit it in the water, bro. That shit.
You make this up, bro. Make a shot for the
Man, let me get one shot. For the free ball. For the.
Put the pressure on me, man. That make you nervous.
It make you nervous? You can't make it in the spotlight? Come on, Taylor.
Oh, hell.
Bro. Bro, what size that rim is, bro? Bro, that's your oval shape, bro. Come on.
Hey, I didn't make the rules. I break them, man.
Yo, Mari, bro, this nigga oval shape. Look at the rim, bro.
I just work it. You gotta go to the office.
I want to talk to the person who's running this, man.
OG, come on, OG, we black.
Yeah, we gotta stick together, man.
We got
We got to stick together.
Yo, can we get a make out of you though? Can we get one make
Bro,
out
we
of you?
need one shot out of you, bro.
I was supposed to make one for me.
Hey, if he makes this, man.
Bro, I will buy this one.
I'll pay for
See? I might say get his change. Get his rebound. Bro, have you made one all day? Hey, fishing over the thing, bro.
Ain't nobody made one all day, bro.
These prizes be coming back and forth.
Alright. Hey.
So, update. This is our last full day in Texas. Got my little nerds or whatever. It's the fit for today. We're about to do this VR stuff again because yesterday it didn't work out. We was gonna go to Six Flags today, but it's 109 degrees, so that's dead. Selfie bar. Yeah? Selfie museum. Yeah. I've done one of those before. It's so hot, bro. I can't even vlog. Holy shit. I'm at this moment, bro, how happy Dupe is, bro, to go to Canes, bro. He gonna look back on this. It's like he about to, it's like, bro. Dupe should never be this happy to go to some Canes, bro. I never see someone so happy, bro, to go to a food place. Ah, shit!
The grass is green, bro.
Oh yeah, we really in the rich area. The grass is green. Look how happy he is to be in Canes right now. This is a fancy Canes. Dude, this Canes type fancy. It's spacious. It's spacious. Oh yeah, we in a corner booth?
Look at these seats.
But we in a corner booth with it. You see the corner booth? Yeah, we back there with it. Screaming Canes, man. Yo, so the moves at the Canes, we back at zero latency virtual reality arena. It's like a big VR thing we about to do. They got Far Cry's in here, zombie games. Basically, we all about to put on VR headsets and we about to play this together. Yes, sir. The boys tap in if y'all in Dallas. Zero latency virtual reality arena, man. Y'all go try it out.
Alright. Those right there, those are special weapons. Any weapon that you see that is floating above the golden circle, that is the weapon that you're going to pick up and use. You can find things like sawed-off shotgun, sniper, minigun, grenade launcher, and other stuff like that. Okay? And you can use however many weapons are in it, and that's how you switch back to your default weapons. Alright? Alright, cool.
Oh yeah, y'all see the equipment?
Alright.
Equipment is cool. The VR headsets. Fire.
Alright.
Keep going back down trying to see, bro.
Yeah. That's best way to do it.
Is there a way to tighten this or no?
There is. These Velcro straps right here. Just pull them straight back.
Oh,
Yeah, just like that. And just pull it back onto that Velcro. I don't want to do the middle one because the middle one right there. But you know, I know that Velcro sticks to your hair. I don't want you like pop a braid out of it. Yeah. Pop a braid out. You're relax. If you guys don't raise your headsets, are really sensitive. Yeah. Look like that one. You got yours? Good. Nah, you good. Yeah, you did. Alright, don't go. Hold on.
Did you hear me? You hear me, dude? I don't got my headset on. Yo, Mario. Item shop. Yo, who vlogging this, bro? Bro, I ran out of iPhone storage, bro.
Alright.
Wait, someone give him the camera.
Niggas ran out of storage, man.
Oh, we didn't be team. No, they don't do that.
Who didn't know?
Jungle, my head is big, bro.
Mic out of here, bro.
Taylor, bro.
You ready?
What?
There you go.
Do that with the Walmart mic, bro.
I got the GoPro on.
Niggas in their Walmart mic.
Alright, everybody. We're gonna stand out here and then I'll give you guys your gun.
Yes, sir. Come on, walk out, pal.
Oh, shit.
Alright. Come on over here.
I really don't see anything. Hello?
Everybody make a circle around me. Make a circle and I'm gonna give you guys your guns.
Should we keep this off for now?
Nah, you can go ahead and put them down. I'll give you guys your guns right now. You wanna keep it off?
Oh yeah, Tay. Wait. No, I can't. I can Hello, hello, hello. Wait. Hello?
I want you to see the camera down, touch it.
Yo, this mall got an ice skating rink in it, y'all. It's fire. He's going crazy. Or she's going crazy. I told y'all they had this here.
That's hard.
It is hard. Yo, there's like 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not facts. I busted my lip playing VR. I'm bleeding now. Dude, look at my lip.
Dude, what the fuck?
I did that, bro.
Wait, what happened?
It's from the gun when we was playing VR. He bumped into me. His
You just
gun.
realized that or?
No, that shit hurt. It started bleeding.
I bumped into you. No, that's like anytime I saw that I was close to him, I was like walking like this.
Bro, like this gun like went like this in my chest and my chin. Like that shit hurt hard. Say hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube.
I'm gonna send them up.
Nice camera. He did a kid agenda, bro.
Please stop saying my name, bitch.